I'm Morten G'day. I'm professor at Polytechnic University of Madrid, and I'm the coordinator and responsible for the IALL project. The IALL project is about lenses that can be refocused to any distance that you want. The IALL lenses are variable. We can change where we're looking at. If we're looking far, we're looking close, we're looking small, we're looking big. Simply by changing the character of your lenses, you can change what you're seeing and how the light is being treated. The IALL project consists of the Polytechnic University of Madrid and AD Telecom, an SME based in Barcelona that makes all the electronics. The idea of the lenses were developed in Madrid, and now together with the AD Telecom, we're going to make an integrated version of the lenses, showing how they could work in surveillance cameras, in microscopes, perhaps even in telescopes. The challenges that we have met in the project have been the same challenges that we have met everywhere else in the world. COVID. Happily through it, I hope. But the sourcing of semiconductor components and electronics has been difficult in the past 2 years. Only now it's catching up, and we have had to adapt our electronics design to this lack of components. And of course, we've also had changes. In 2 years' time, people leave, people come. It's been training, like there will be in all other small projects or smaller companies. There's been a lot of training involved. Lenses are everywhere. They're in our cars, our long lights, our short lights in the cars, in the drones that are taking photos of situations of drought or flooding. The existing lenses have a given focal distance and require physical movement of the holder of the lens. The IALL lenses are dynamic. That means we have no movement. We're using the same technology as you know from your liquid crystal displays, but they can be adjusted. So they can have a long focal depth or a short focal depth. That has a number of possible applications. That could be in a binocular surgery equipment used by medics. It could be in the surveillance cameras used by border control. It could be used in forest fire cameras, keeping an eye on our wild nature. These lenses, they don't have any moving parts. They have very low power consumption. They weigh very little, so they are very suitable for satellites and drones. My background is a Danish degree in chemistry and biotechnology. Then I did my PhD in England, and then I went to Spain to become a professor at the Polytechnic University of Madrid, where I'm now coordinating the IALL project.